What's going on, everybody? Logan here for a new video, and today we are going to be restoring the headlights on the Mustang. They are pretty bad faded. I mean, these are the original headlights that I got that had been on the car. The car was built in 2011, so yeah, the headlights just going to fade over time. But for less than $20, you know, you can get almost brand new looking headlights. All you're going to need is sandpaper. I'm going to be using 320 and 2000 grit. Some people like to build up, you know, using like a 320, 400, 600, you know, all the way up to 2000. For me, I'm just going 320 with the sponge, and then 2000 I have the paper, and then just a layer of clear coat, and that'll be it. But I know you have other videos to watch, so let's get into it. 320, 2000, and the clear coat. So you can pick it all up at Home Depot, Walmart for less than 20 bucks. So I'm gonna go ahead, use the 320, show y'all, then the 2000, then the coat. One important thing whenever you're sanding it, only go one direction, so up or down or left or right. I'm going left to right. Some people, they even use water as lubricant. So yeah, that's just one thing to keep in mind. Only go one direction while you're sanding. So this is what it's going to look like after you're done sanding with the 320. Doesn't look like there's a whole bunch of difference, but the magic comes when you use the clear coat on it. Okay, so here it is after the 2000. As you can see, definitely looks a little muffed up. Putting sandpaper on plastic, so of course it's going to look a little muffed up. And like I said, once you put the clear coat on there, that's when it looks brand new. I'm gonna go ahead and tape this area up, spray a coat on there, let y'all see. And just like that, the headlights are done. Now, this was just one coat. You can see perfectly through that one. The driver's side didn't turn out as good as I would like, but it's still significantly better than it was. This one I will actually redo tomorrow with some other sandpaper and do 2 coats on it, but still, that is significantly better than it was when I started. And like I said, this one, it was all foggy and stuff when I first started, and now it is just clear. So this was a quick little video showing you that you don't have to go out and spend 50, 60 bucks on these headlight restoration kits when, you know, for less than 20 bucks, you can get the same results. Like I said, headlight for the driver's side didn't turn out as good as I would like, but still it is significantly better than it was originally. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.